Ah, that was delicious.
You really like omelettes, don't you, Freya?
Yep, I can eat it every day.
I'll make omelettes again tomorrow if you help around the house.
Really? I'll do anything.
Freya! I'm baking cookies in the toaster oven. Can you grab a plate for me?
Sure. Here you go, Daddy.
Thanks for lending me a hand.
I'll do anything to help out today.
Freya?
Coming.
My hands are full right now. Can you start the washing machine?
Of course. There. What else can I do?
Thanks. Can you tidy up the kids' room next?
All right, it's getting busy now. Oh no! What a mess! I'm going to put back everything in its place and... Okay, the room's much cleaner.
Freya!
Coming!
I'm sorry, but can you grab the eggs from the fridge for me, please?
Sure. Found it. Here you go, Daddy.
Thank you.
Freya?
Yes.
Can you wipe the table?
Freya! Can you please watch the twins?
Freya? Can you help me out over here next?
I can't, I'm tired.
Are you giving up on the omelettes?
Huh? Who is it? Oh, Creme!
I'll help too.
You will?
I love omelettes too.
Let's go!
Can you help me?
Sure.
Over
Okay.
here.
I need you here.
Coming.
Can you do that next?
We got it! We're such a dream team.
We sure are.
Everyone, the omelettes are ready.